they're talking about. They're describing the sister as the mountain, okay? Everyone celebrated the birth of the baby gorilla Snowflake. Snowflake is the positive because it tells you which baby gorilla you're talking about, because there might be several. Samuel Maverick, a cattle rancher, refused to brand his animals. Here, the cattle rancher tells who Samuel Maverick is, okay? They put commas around this one because we don't necessarily have to know he was a cattle rancher. So, let's look at, we're gonna do 2 of these today, so go ahead and just do 1 through 6 on these. Just identify the appositive or the whole appositive phrase. Just do 1 through 6. Just underline the phrase. Okay. Looks like everybody's about finished. So, is everybody just stop at number 6. Positives are going to be nouns or pronouns. So, oh, sorry. a Pomeranian had long wavy fur. Okay, what's the appositive phrase? Pomeranian. Because it's identifying the puppy. Okay? We gave the dry cleaner, Mr. Nolan, our suits to press. Mr. Nolan. He's telling who the dry cleaner is. Dorothy Parker, the poet and short story writer, is remembered for her wit. Okay? 4. And a lot of these, like, if you'll notice, like, you do kind of pause when you say that. So that kind of tells you it's non-essential. Okay, 5. Cellist is how you say that. Y'all know what a cello is? It's like a huge violin.
Yeah, kind of like a big string instrument.
Yeah. So I don't know why it's spelled that way, but it pronounced it cello. So it's a cellist. Alright, and 6. Yeah. It's telling you which months. Okay. So any questions on those? Okay, go to the infinitives page. Sorry, we're skipping around a bunch, but we're getting into the verbal phrases. So we're just gonna go ahead and do this one. They just kind of speed things along. So verbal phrases, they're called that because there are words in them that look like it would be a verb. Like if you looked at, if I said the word running, you would think that's a verb because that's something that you do. But it's not always used as a verb, okay? So when you're asked to pick out verbals, which could be on the ACT or SAT, the best thing to do, because there's 3 types of verbal phrases. You have infinitives, gerunds, and participles, okay? So if you're ever asked to identify those, the easiest thing to do so that you don't get like the verb mixed up with the verbal phrase is find the verb first, okay? So when you find that main verb in the sentence, everything else is usually easier to find, okay? So an infinitive is a type of verbal phrase. And to me, this is the easiest one because infinitives always start with the word to. T-O. Alright, I want Chromebooks closed. So I gotta pay attention. So an infinitive is always going to start with the word to. If it has a word that looks like a verb after it, it's an infinitive, okay? But you can't get it confused with, y'all, close your Chromebook
Alex.
for the 5th time.
Alex.
Alex. Close them, okay?
Alex, are you deaf? Am I much?
Alex, whoa. Take him to the office. Whoa.
No, that's office.
That's so.
That's edge.
Okay, why aren't you closing your Chromebook?
What?
Well, it's in there.
Take him to the office.
Yeah, take him to the office.
Coach Smith.
Okay. I shouldn't have to stop what I'm doing and do. Anyway. The word to, just like we talked about the other day, the word to can also be a preposition. So you have to be careful just because you see the word to in a sentence, it's not automatically an infinitive. So if it says,